Discover the world of brother sewing and craft. It's so easy with our feature-packed machines designed to express your creative spirit and style.
Today on Show Me How, we introduce you to new and exciting possibilities using technology to create stylish, quick and easy crafts. Ronelle van Sale of Brother International shows us how to turn a plain t-shirt into a glamorous personalized outfit using rhinestones. She'll also show us how to apply applique onto garments to add interest and character.
Hello and welcome to Show Me How. I'm Gloria Bastos and I'm joined in the studio today by Ronelle van Sale of Brother International. Now, she's an absolute guru when it comes to incorporating technology into crafts, and she's going to show us how quick and easy ways of personalizing plain t-shirts to create one-of-a-kind garments. In our first project, we're going to create a template, and then we're going to add rhinestones as we transform a plain garment into a glamorous top, similar to this one. So, Ronelle, how do we do this?
Gloria, it's easy.
Yes?
If you have the right technology.
Yes.
I use the scan and cut. What you basically have is a sheet where you cut your template on.
Okay.
Then you've got a transfer sheet, and then you've got a sticker type of board where you can put your template on so that you can actually put the rhinestones on it.
Okay.
Shall I
Excellent.
show you?
Yes, please. I can't wait.
Okay. So what I do, I bring it in with my USB, and then I would just select pattern, and there my design sits. You can't really see it because bear in mind it's now a very soft design because I want to cut little holes.
Yes. Okay, makes sense.
What I'm just going to do, I see this is in the middle, so I don't want to waste this sheet. So I'm just going to move it a little bit so that it goes into the corner for me.
So clever.
And then I've got it. And I just say, okay, and I will cut.
Okay.
Now to cut, I would just use my template sheet, and I will just make sure that it's nice in the corner. Obviously, it's always the size of the mat.
Yes.
And I will just make sure that it's nice.
It's stuck on properly.
Properly, yes.
Okay.
All right. Also, again, you've got your blade that you have to cut. And in this case, I will have my blade a little bit deeper than what I have for paper or fabric.
Yes.
So I will go up to a 7, even a 7.5.
Okay.
Okay. And I will just go and cut. Okay, now the design is finished. It's actually giving me a little message, okay, and I will unload the mat.
Aha. So easy, I can't get over it.
Easy. So the nice part of this now is what I always call the magic part.
Yes.
And because what we need to do is just to get this and just pull it.
Wow, okay.
And there's all the little holes. You can actually go back and just put it down again.
Just to get all...
And just, rip it again and again. And this is the way you go, or else you can either go back and get all the little holes cleaned out, or else you can just use an unpicker and unpick it.
Okay.
I'm just going to cut this now because obviously this is now much too big.
Yes.
You can really make use of very, 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 very small pieces.
Absolutely, and you don't want to be wasting.
What I will have now is just to make sure that all the holes are cleaned. And
so when you say that you're making sure the holes are cleaned, that is where the rhinestones are actually going to go into, am I right?
That's right.
So if we look at this design here, all those were little holes on the template.
They were all holes on the template,
Okay.
yes. Gloria, just at this point in time, you must be very sure on what article you're making when you do make the decision on the rhinestones.
Yes.
Because rhinestones can be very expensive, but it can also be a fun and cheap project.
Yes.
If it's just for a child outside playing, or just a little handbag or something, which it's not going to be durable, I would really just go for a cheaper one that you can just buy from the normal fabric stores.
Right.
But you also can get rhinestones that's going up to Swarovski crystal. So,
wow, okay. So if it's a fancy garment, an evening garment, and you're just wanting to add a little bit of glitz to it. Okay.
Yes. All right. So what I have now is I've got this little sheet here, which is more a cardboard, and I can just put your design on. Template on there, yes.
Let's see that. Oh, yes. So that is actually very clear. We can see where all the little rhinestones are going to
Go in, yes.
go. All
Yes.
right.
Gloria, I'm just going to use the box where I bought my rhinestone kit in.
Yes.
Because that's just making it easier, because I don't want to waste my rhinestones.
So it just contains the rhinestones,
That's
am I right?
basically, yeah,
Okay.
that's no magic to this. I will just put the rhinestones on there.
Yes.
Enough that I think it will, and then you just brush it and it will basically go into the holes.
But how do you ensure that you've got the rhinestones facing the right way up?
Well, basically use my eyes and just brush it until I see that it's all there, and then what I'm going to use, I'm just going to take them out. And then what is also in the box is this little nice tool.
Yes.
And you can just basically pick up the rhinestone
wow.
and put it in where...
Okay, so is there a part of this that is sticky?
This is what the rhinestone is all about. It's got a sticky back.
I see, okay.
And when I'm going to iron it now, the glue actually at the back of the rhinestone melts. If you want to look at that one, you'll see it's like a grey background.
All right, now it's making sense to me. So this grey is actually glue.
That's glue, yeah.
I see.
And that's where also the quality of the rhinestone goes in, because the more expensive the glue, obviously it will hear better, and then the rhinestone is also...
But then your project is also much more successful, because you don't want to go to the trouble of ironing it on and having all of that done, and then it falls apart the minute that you put it in the wash.
Exactly, yeah.
Talking of washing, can this go in the washing machine?
100%.
Really?
100% washable, yes.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes. I think we're done.
Fabulous.
All right. Then I just want to brush this off.
Okay.
So that because what I'm going to do now is I also have a transfer sheet now, which is this one.
Yes.
I'm just, in this case, I'm going to cut a piece.
More or less the size of our
More or less the
of our
size
template.
Yes, of the template. And then what I do, it also needs to come apart. And this is always a tricky part,
Okay.
because this needs to stick properly.
Yes.
And you can see
Right.
that. I will just put it on.
So you're transferring the design now from the template onto that sticky vinyl.
Exactly, yeah.
And then when you iron,
There's the whole design now.
Oh, wow. Okay. So this is the glue side up, though.
That's the glue side up.
Okay. And
Yes.
on this side here, behind the plastic, we've got the rhinestones. Right.
That's correct.
Okay.
Okay, now
the magic.
Now we need to iron.
And that's as
And
quick as
that's
that.
it. Yes. I will decide where my rhinestones must fit.
Yes.
And just for this, because it's not a proper ironing board here, I've just brought this piece of material just to protect the surface.
Okay.
And yes, I feel like I want it there.
Right.
And then what you also need is just a cloth to iron on.
On top. So you're not ironing directly onto the vinyl?
No.
Okay.
Because obviously it's
That
plastic.
makes sense. Yes. And what sort of temperature do you have your iron
I've got it on maximum.
on? Very hot.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you want to melt the glue.
Yes, true. And so just move it around a little bit to ensure that you've got
Yes.
proper adhesion.
And then all you have to do is to do that. And there's my rhinestone.
Wow, that is amazing.
So what I normally just do, to secure everything, when the plastic is off, because the plastic actually starts melting at the bottom
Yes.
if you go too long, then I will just give it a leather iron, beat, and there you are.
And that's it.
That's
and
it.
as you said, ready to wear, and then it can go in the washing machine. And
100%.
well, that was really quick and easy. And I mean, in a few easy steps, we've transformed the garment completely. Ready to wear and ready to go in the washing machine.
And 300% profit straight away.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Well, there's no doubt that technology can take crafts to another level. When we come back, Ronelle is going to chat to us about the business opportunities of incorporating technology into crafts. We'll be right back.
For a detailed list of all the materials and instructions, visit our website on thehomechannel.co.za.
Brother, Japanese excellence in the sewing industry for over 100 years.